Hello everyone, your Reshmi here from Your Eyes Fashion. So you all are doing very good today. Thank you so much for your support as always. And today I have selected some exclusive outstanding collections only for you with great offer price. So let me display. The bright fresh looks all size, very trendy one. This one pantaloon soft silk with fine weaving border design and very smart trendy looks and fully fine embroidery work. Very trendy looks, handloom soft silk material with beautiful fine weaving border design, golden zari weaving border and all over fine embroidery butta work, floral butta. Very smart bright looks. And this one pallu portions highlighted silver zari stripes pattern pallu, and this one is all over piece, very trendy and smart elegant bright looks. This one is running blouse piece, and this one full piece part weaving border with highlighted embroidery butta work, floral butta. And I will suggest this silk material heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree. For your exclusive looks, for customize your blouse, please contact through WhatsApp. And this one also in a very beautiful one, fresh bright red shade highlighted golden zari weaving border, fully weaving border, and all over base part is fine embroidery design. Very nice looks, bright fresh gorgeous looks. Also best for your festive wear. And this one border portions fully fine golden zari weaving border, and all over base part is fine embroidery design, very colorful also. This one is pallu portions highlighted silver zari stripes pattern pallu, and this one is all over piece, and this portion is border portions, pretty nice fresh looks. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is full piece. And I will suggest this silk material heavy weaving Banarasi weaving butta work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding gorgeous fresh looks. This one also same material, same pattern, very elegant color combination, peach shade with beautiful fine weaving border design and full border portions, fine embroidery work. This one is full base part, very nice looks. Handloom soft silk material, and this one is golden zari fine weaving border, and all over base part is beautiful fine embroidery design. This one is pallu portions fully silver zari stripes pattern pallu, and this portion border portions very highlighted border, fully weaving golden zari weaving border with fine embroidery work border design, very nice and fresh looks. This one is fine embroidery work, and this one is full base part very trendy looks. And this one is running blouse piece plain, and this one full base part, very exclusive one. And I will suggest this silk material heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your trendy and fresh bright looks. And this one outstanding looks and very elegant, obviously premium quality pure handloom desi tasar raw silk, pure desi tasar silk, beautiful bright color combinations. This one is full base, very nice looks. And this one is pallu portions highlighted fine golden zari stripes pattern pallu and pure desi tasar silk, and this one full base part is same plain, exclusive looks, exclusive elegant looks. This one is full base pure tasar silk, and this one is running blouse piece. And I will suggest this silk material stripes and weaving fine weaving butta contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive outstanding looks. And very beautiful one, same material pure handloom premium quality pure desi tasar silk with beautiful nice color combinations. This one is full base part, very nice color combinations. This one is full base part and this one is contrast color pallu with highlighted golden zari stripes, very elegant looks. This portion is base portions, and this one is contrast color dye pallu with highlighted golden zari stripes, pure desi tasar silk. This one is beautiful combination. This one is pure tasar silk, full base part is plain and contrast pallu, and this one is running blouse piece contrast color. And I will suggest this silk material beautiful digital printed contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive outstanding smart looks. And this one also in a very beautiful one, same material, same pattern, pure handloom desi tussar silk and nice color combination, soft sober looks. And this one, full base part, this portion is pallu, portions highlighted golden zari fine stripes pattern pallu and pure tussar silk, desi tussar silk. And this one, full base part, very exclusive, trendy and fresh looks. And this one, running blouse piece, and I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive looks. And this one also, beautiful one, natural fabric, lane by lane, golden zari border all over, weaving polka design, very nice looks. This one is black base, multi-color weaving polka design, golden zari border, maroon contrast piping. And this one is pallu portions, maroon pallu, contrast color pallu with beautiful weaving gicha weaving polka design, very nice fresh looks, natural fabric, lane by lane. And this one is full base part, and this one, full base part, natural fabric, lane by lane, highlighted golden zari border. This one is running blouse piece, and this one, full base part, very bright beautiful looks. And I will suggest this cotton fabric printed contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive smart looks. For customize your blouse, please contact through WhatsApp. See, a very beautiful one, natural fabric, lane by lane with heavy Dhakai pattern weaving design border and very nice color combinations. This one, full base part, premium quality, pure handloom, fine lane by lane material, natural fabric, lane by lane. And this one is border portions, fully golden zari weaving Dhakai border. And this one is all over base, very trendy and fresh looks. This one is all over base part, and this one is running blouse piece. And this one, pallu portions, highlighted buta jamdani buta design work pallu. And this one is border portions, very trendy and fresh looks, natural fabric, lane by lane. And I will suggest this silk material weaving buta work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive smart and fresh looks. And this one also, very bright color combinations, black with yellow contrast looks, natural fabric, lane by lane, golden zari border, contrast yellow piping. And this one, beautiful weaving polka design, very nice looks. This one is full base part, this one is running blouse piece, and this one is pallu portions, fully contrast color, stripes, highlighted stripes with beautiful weaving polka design pallu. And this one, full base part, golden zari, soft golden zari border, and full base part is beautiful weaving polka design, very nice bright looks. This one is beautiful one. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive outstanding looks. And this one also, very beautiful bright one, lane jamdani, natural fabric, lane by lane with beautiful golden zari weaving buta work, jamdani buta. This one, full base part, this portion is border portions, half-inch highlighted contrast color border and fully golden zari weaving jamdani buta, multi-floral big buta design, very trendy looks. And this one is natural fabric, lane by lane base, and this one is pallu portions, contrast color with fully weaving stripes pattern design pallu. And this one, full base part, very bright beautiful gorgeous looks, also base for your festive wear, party wear, very nice one. This one is running blouse piece, and I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding bright looks. In a very beautiful one, black shade with contrast golden work, very bright one, natural fabric, lane by lane, pure handloom obviously, and beautiful fine Dhakai pattern weaving design border. This one, border portions, very nice looks, fully golden zari with contrast color threaded weaving Dhakai pattern jamdani work border. And this one is full base part, and this one, pallu portions highlighted fine weaving design work, stripes pattern weaving design work pallu. And this one, full base part, very fresh looks, bright black with golden work, very gorgeous looks. Also this one is running blouse piece, and this one, full base part, very beautiful one. And I will suggest this silk material, self weaving heavy work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive outstanding looks, best for your festive wear also. And this one also black one, same material, natural fabric, linen by linen ikat design, contrast color border. This one is linen ikat. This one is full base part, mustard yellow base, contrast black ikat border with beautiful highlighted Dhakai weaving border design. Golden zari weaving Dhakai border with ikat design, and this one is full base part, very nice looks. And this one pallu portions is black portions, contrast black pallu with fully weaving Jamdani bruta, and border portions also contrast black ikat, and base part is mustard yellow, very nice looks. This one is running blouse piece, and this one full base part, outstanding looks. And I will suggest this cotton fabric ikat contrast blouse piece with this for your outstanding exclusive looks. Sorry, this one also very beautiful one, very smart trendy looks, handloom soft silk material with fine weaving embroidery buta work, very nice looks, very soft, comfortable. Today also I draped a soft silk, and this one very beautiful color combinations, handloom soft silk, golden zari border with fine weaving buta design all over, fine weaving, not weaving, it's embroidery buta design all over, fine embroidery buta work, very nice looks. And this one pallu portions, contrast color dye pallu with buta design, and this one full base part, very trendy fresh looks. And this one is running blouse piece, and this one is all over piece. And I will suggest this cotton fabric printed contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive outstanding looks. In a very beautiful one, same material, same pattern, different color combinations, fine buta design, contrast pallu, and soft silk handloom, soft silk golden zari border, and all over base part is fine weaving buta design, very trendy smart looks. And this one is pallu portions, contrast color pallu with buta work, very nice one, contrast color dye pallu, and this one is all over base part is work, very nice fresh looks and very soft, comfortable. And this one is running blouse piece, and this one full base part, very bright fresh one. And I will suggest this cotton fabric beautiful printed contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive smart trendy looks. And this one very bright one, best for your festive wear, party wear, very gorgeous looks also. This one is full base part, a premium quality pure handloom tissue linen material, soft one, summer friendly, contrast dye border. This one contrast color dye border with fine weaving design, golden zari weaving design work border. And this one full base part have sign also, soft one, very soft one. This one is pallu portions contrast color dye pallu with silver zari stripes, and this one full base part, very smart fresh looks. This one is border portions, contrast color dye with fine weaving design work border, and this one full base part, very trendy and fresh looks. This one is running blouse piece, and this one full base part, very nice one. And I will suggest this silk material heavy Banarasi weaving work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding looks. And this one also same material, same pattern, very nice color combinations, beautiful work, premium quality pure handloom tissue linen material with beautiful texture pattern weaving. And this one is contrast color dye border with fine weaving design checks pattern highlighted border. And this one full base part, very nice trendy looks. And this portion is pallu portions, contrast color dye pallu with stripes design and silver sign, premium quality pure handloom tissue linen material. And this one full border portions, very nice and outstanding looks. This portion is border weaving border fine, and this one is all over piece, very premium quality tissue linen. And this one is running blouse piece, and this one full base part, very exclusive one. And I will suggest this silk material heavy Banarasi weaving work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive smart and bright looks. Very beautiful one, semi cotton base with beautiful work. You know, the same material today I have draped same saree, only different color combinations, and this one is very elegant color, premium quality semi cotton silk base, pure handloom with contrast color dye border with fine weaving golden and silver zari weaving butta work. This one is upper border, beautiful golden and silver zari weaving highlighted border, and this one, you know, full base part, very soft one, soft silk, semi cotton silk, and this one is contrast color dye border with fine silver zaris highlighted stripes, and this one, you know, border portions very trendy and fresh looks. This portion is border portions, contrast color dye border with beautiful golden and silver zari weaving highlighted exclusive border design, and this one is full base part, very trendy and fresh looks, soft one, and this one, you know, running blouse piece, and I will suggest this silk material printed contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive outstanding smart looks. And this one also, you know, same material different color combinations, bright looks, and this one is full base part, semi cotton base, contrast dye border, and beautiful golden and silver zari fine weaving border. This portion is upper border, and this one is full base part, semi cotton base, and this one is contrast color dye pallu with highlighted silver zari stripes, and this one, you know, highlighted border portions, contrast color dye border with silver and golden zari fine weaving highlighted border, and this one, you know, full base part, and this one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base but very soft one, same material. Today I have did different color, and I will suggest this silk material heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive trendy and elegant looks. And you know, today I have dipped a beautiful color combination saree, same material, same pattern, handloom semi cotton base, contrast color dye border with golden and silver zari fine weaving butta, and this one is pallu portions, contrast color dye pallu with silver zari stripes, and this one is border portions, very trendy and smart look, soft one, beautiful saree, beautiful blouse and jewelry also. If you want the same combo, please contact through WhatsApp. Hope you will like our collection. Thank you so much for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, keep browsing our website, stay healthy, have a good day, take care. Thank you so much.